we can call the method, because when we tried to execute this method, we were getting the compilation error, right? Why we are getting this error? Because here we have to understand the concept of the method accessibility, like in which area we can access the static and non-static method. So let's check it out. So let's see here how we can call the static method in static and non-static area and vice versa. So here let's see one by one. So accessibility of the static method, we can access the static method in static area. So how we can access that? So let's say I have created one method, that is static method, public static void static method. Okay, so here we have static method, and I just want to access this method in static area, or you can say in the another static method. So how we can access that? So let's try to call this method directly. So here you can see we are able to call this method directly, right? So there is no need to create any object of a class, or by using the class name we can also access the static method. So here we can access the static method in static area either directly or by using class name. Okay, so next is if we want to access this static method in non-static method. So let me just create the another method with the name non-static method. Non-static methods are those methods which doesn't have any static keyword. So here this is the non-static method. So now I just want to call this method here. So how we can call that? I can call it directly, or with the help of class name again I can call this method, right? For the static method it's pretty clear, like we can access the static method in either static or non-static area directly or by using the class name, right? Now moving to the next one, non-static method. How we can access the non-static method in static and non-static area? Now let's check how we can call the non-static method in static and non-static area. So here we have one non-static method, and I just want to access this method in the static area. So can we access it? So here you can see we are getting some compilation error. So reason being, because non-static members we can't access directly in the static area. For that we required an object of a class. So to access the non-static members in static area, we need to create an object of class. So here I'm creating an object by using the non-static method calling, okay, and SCM. So by using this object we can call the method. So here you can see there is no any compilation error. So if I execute the code, so execution always will start from the main method. So here we are calling this method method2. It will jump to this area and we can see the non-static method 2. Alright. Now the next thing is how we can call this non-static method in another non-static method or area. So let's try with directly calling this method. So see, there is no compilation error. We can access this method directly. So here I have written, so by using non-static method in the static area we can access by the class object, and in non-static area we can access it directly. But here we are talking about within the same class, right? We are not talking about the calling of method in the another class or in outside the class. So within the same class the concept is similar to the instance variable and the static variables. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to everyone. What is method, what are the different type of methods, how we can call the methods in static and non-static areas. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.